Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get a Stripe virtual card. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Stripe, you might want to click on the sign up option. And from here, all you're going to do is provide your email, your full legal name, and the country or region you are located. And by clicking on the create account button, you are all set. Now, once you are here, to get a Stripe virtual card, for us, in order to set rules on cards and card holders to control your spending, you need to go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the More Plus option. And from here, you need to hover down to the Manage Money Card Issuing. Click on it. And once you've done that, as you can see, this is the section wherein you can issue virtual and physical cards, instantly create, distribute, and manage virtual and physical cards. And when you click on it, as you can see, now when you are here in the card issuing section, click on the overview so that you would have an access to an end-to-end platform for quickly creating, distributing, and managing virtual and physical cards. Now, as you can see, the test mode lets you to try out issuing without real funds. Now, click on it. As you can see, now in test mode, you need to use your Stripe integration before going live with payments. And from here, after you create a Stripe account, you can find a set of test API keys in the Stripe dashboard. Now, you can use these API keys to create and retrieve simulated data by making requests to the Stripe API. And again, from here, you can start accepting real payments, and you need to activate your account, and you need to toggle off test mode and use the live API keys in your integration. That's easy. And from there, all you're going to do is log into the dashboard again. And from here, all you're going to do is explore the API keys for developers. When you click on it, you would be asked, what would you like to do? Accept payments online or in person. And obviously, we need this first one. And continue with payments, or you can view more options. Right here, when you are in the payment section, as you can see, you can create a link and sell anywhere in minutes. You can even sell product subscriptions or accept donations so that later on you can issue a virtual card. Now, you can also create a billing, invoicing, and connect. Now, click on payment. As you can see, there's another window that you need to go through, which is these are the payment links. And from here, click on Get Started. And before you can proceed, all you're going to do is verify your account and just provide all the information that's being asked here and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, once you've done that, you can click on Mark as Complete right here. Now, you can add funds to your issuing balance. And to add an issuing balance, click on this button right here. And obviously, you need to add a bank right here so that you can see the reflected balance to your account here on Stripe. Now, if this option is grayed out, you need to toggle the live account here because it's on test mode. You need to click on it and you need to activate your account. But if you have that option, click on the add a bank account so that you would be able to move forward with issuing your card. And after that, all you're going to do is create a card holder. Click on this button right here. Now, you need to have the name printed on card, and these cannot be changed. Now, just put all the information here. And then provide your phone number, your card holder legal name right here. And date of birth, your government issued photo ID, which helps confirm the card holder's identity, and of course your email. And from here, click on the terms and agreements. and click on submit. Right now, after that, you can click on the create a card and run a test authorization. Click on it, and from here, if you haven't created a card holder yet, enter the name to get started, which is going to be add it down here. And as you can see, again, you will be redirected to the same window that we had created earlier. And after doing so, click on submit. Now from here, you can also view the issuing docs, but that's for another video, but you can mark as complete, and you can contact sales to apply for the live mode access. Contact sales right here. Now from here, all you're gonna do is provide your work email, your country or region, and just click on continue. You might also want to go here in the Stripe issuing overview and pricing. Click on the pricing right here. And now, during the card creation, when you create and issue cards instantly and get branded physical card ship in little as 3 days, as you can see, these are the corresponding prices. That's going to be 10 cents per virtual card, and that's going to be $3.50 per standard physical card. And you can have a custom card subject to additional pricing and shipping rates not included. Now, for dispute transactions and issued cards, that's going to be $15. And for international payments, say for example, you're issuing available in 20 countries, additional fees apply for international cards and currency conversion. That's going to be 1% plus 30 cents for cross-border transactions. And they also have the custom economics. And if you wanted to know more about these pricing, and you might want to check on the sales department right here. Click on that. And as you can see, these are going to be the Stripes virtual card. Users span every phase of growth, for some pre-seed startups to global billion-dollar business. And they also have the digital wallet support, wherein cardholders can load virtual and physical cards into their digital wallets to enable instant and secure access to funds, however they choose to pay online. So the cards, the virtual card are stylish, also the physical cards as well. You can also have the option to customize your card, wherein with dynamic controls and easy-to-use APIs, you can programmatically adjust every detail of your card offering. You can manage spend and fraud by setting spending limits, authorizing a decision in real time, blocking merchant categories, and confirming a transaction via SMS, just like the option right here. And the virtual card program tailored to your needs because it has the easy to use APIs, and the compliance first card programs are designed to help you get started quickly and support you as you scale up in your business. Now, one of the cool features is the spend or charge cards, because one of my partners are using this one right now using his Stripe account, because he can obviously build an expense management program that allows businesses to spend on credit with earned funds. It's that simple. And again, if you wanted to know more about the Stripes virtual card, just click on the get in touch button here and tell them you are interested about getting a physical card as well after getting a virtual card. All right, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.